What's up guys, today we're gonna test these springs for the trunk. Let's do it. Alright guys, so today we have these springs. This one is spring. This one, I hope it works for my trunk. This spring will help the trunk to open faster when you click the button of the remote. But let's see if it works with my car, because on my car I have the trunk spoiler. So let's see if it can handle that much weight. Alright, so this is what it does when I open the trunk. You see, it's open but it didn't go up. Alright, so this spring you have to hook it. See, it has a hook here and another one like a washer here. So I have to see where to hook it so that it's gonna pull this mechanism, this thing. So when it pulls, it will open the trunk. Alright, now I got it inside there. Alright, so now I'm gonna put this hook, I think, inside there. Okay. Alright, I got it. You can see it there. I got the hook there, one hook there, and the other one with this line. So now let's test. Let's see if this thing works. All right, let's see if it's working. All right, first test fail. Man, this flew like a mile away from here. Okay, I think it's too much stress. So it has this like a screw or bolt here. You have to loose it a little bit. I don't know how this thing got loose because I put it inside there. I'm gonna put it inside here. Okay, maybe I'm gonna put it inside here. So this is test number 2. The first one failed. Don't put it on here. It's gonna fly away. Okay, so I'm gonna put it inside this thing. All right, let's do it again. Alright, first I got it there. Okay, it's inside this thing. So let's see if this thing works. So it's there. Alright, now I got it in there. I probably have to make it not too tight because I don't want this thing to fly away again. So, but let's test it. Let's see how hard it is. All right, now the moment of truth. Wow, it worked, but it makes a lot of noise. Let's test it again, all right? Because it's very tight. Let's do it again. Wait. You can hear the noise. I will probably have to add some oil, some WD-40. Okay. Okay, it's close. Now let's test it again. It's amazing. This thing is around $12 or something like that. But the problem, now is I will probably switch it to this side, because this one doesn't have no wires and this one has wire. I don't wanna rip the wire, so you know what, let's do that first, alright? And let's see if that works in this side, because I don't wanna mess up the wiring harness, this one, alright? So let's switch it for the other side. Alright, it feels loose here, but when it closes, it's gonna be super tight. So I might make noise or something. I might have to do something to prevent the noise. Here you see? Yeah. I have to find a way to hook this thing so it's not loose here. See? When it's open it's like this, but when it's closed it's very tight. So let's do it. It works very good. So let's do it again. Let's test it again. Cool. All right. It works fine. It's fine. I think it's worth it for the $12. Also, sometimes some sellers will give you two sets. I mean, a pair of this. So this one was $12 for one, but also some sellers sell two for $12 of this one. I'm gonna put the link on the description of the video of this spring for the trunk. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think about the trunk. I think it's amazing. Now it opens all the way up with the spring. It's very cheap. The only thing is that it makes noise when you open it. But other than that, it's good. It works great. Let me know what you guys think of this spring opener. It's very cheap and simple to install. So put in the comments what you think. If you like the video, please like the video. If you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next video.